Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be taking a closer look at the KCC French dining chairs set of 2. If you want to add a touch of elegance and charm to your dining room, kitchen or restaurant, then these vintage farmhouse chairs are the perfect choice for you. The chic French style and exquisite wooden frames of these chairs are designed to provide you with unparalleled comfort. The beautiful oak color combined with the soft fabric creates a unique French charm that will elevate the ambience of any space. These chairs are not only stylish but also built to last. The solid wooden frame and rubberwood legs make them sturdy and durable, with a weight capacity of up to 300 pounds. The white foot pads on the legs provide stability and protect your floors from scratches. With a size of 22.05 x 19. 29 watts x 37.8 these French dining chairs are suitable for any home decor, from farmhouse to mid-century to modern. Whether you use them in the dining room, kitchen, living room, bedroom, or study, you will enjoy a comfortable seating experience with the linen cushion and round back upholstery. And the best part is, these chairs are easy to assemble. All the necessary parts and instructions are included, so you can have them set up in no time. So, if you're looking to add a touch of elegance and comfort to your space, make sure to check out the KCC French dining chairs set of 2. You can find the link to purchase these chairs in the description box below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home decor reviews and ideas. Thanks for watching.